Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Wash and dry your hands thoroughly to avoid infection. Once done, sit at a table with a mirror and good light so you can see the lens edge. Make sure your nails are short and there are no lotions on your fingers. That reduces slipping and irritation. Next, gently pull down your lower lid with one hand and lift the upper lid slightly with the other to stabilize the eye. Then focus on the lens center before attempting removal. You now move into the removal motion. Blink a few times to center the lens, then use your index finger to nudge the edge gently toward the center. Once the edge lifts, bring your thumb and index finger together like a soft pinch and remove the lens in one smooth motion. This minimizes stretching and tearing. If the lens resists, apply 1-2 rewetting drops, wait a moment, and retry. Moistening changes adhesion and makes the lens easier to handle. Once removed, place the lens on your fingertip and inspect it carefully for tears, deposits, or debris. A damaged lens must be discarded because it can injure your eye. Rinse and store it in fresh disinfecting solution per the lens instructions. Never use tap water. Make sure to clean and dry the case regularly. If you experience persistent pain, redness, blurred vision, or the lens won't come off after repeated, careful attempts, stop and contact an eye care professional immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.